Ever had one of those days that nothing goes your way? Everything you plan, nothing goes your way. It happened to everyone. It happened to all of us. But I want to share with you a little secret. The power to flip the script and make things better, it's inside you. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video, how just few words to yourself can turn your whole day around. Let's talk about why self-affirmations matter. And I'm talking about I am. I am those God words. Those are the two of the most powerful words on earth. And as far as Genesis 1, verse 27, God created you in his image. So you are God. Once you say those affirmations to yourself, I am, and you add whatever it is that you want to add that is positive, it will boost your confidence. It will shift your mindset from the negative to positive. It will help you replace negative thoughts with a positive thinking. It will also help you worry less because you're focusing on the positive aspect of yourself. And when I say you are God, I mean you are God. God worked through you, inside of you. God created you in his image. So when you say, I am confident, I am powerful, I am strong, I am beautiful, you automatically boost your self-esteem, you're confident. It will also make you happy overall, makes you a happy person. So that's why self-affirmation matters, because it helps you. That's what I said. You can flip the script because the power, it's inside of you. Those words can help you turn your whole day around by just say two words and add everything that you want after. But again, you want to make sure that you add a positive words to it. Make self-affirmation as your daily habit. And the best way to do it is when you wake up in the morning. When you wake up in the morning, when your subconscious mind is still awake and you want to start feeding that subconscious mind with positive affirmation, with positive thoughts. When I'm saying when you wake up is like when you open your eyes and you in the moment of waking up, you're still on a theta level. This is the theta waves that the subconscious mind is still awake. Okay, this is when you start feeding your mind with self-affirmation, when you're telling yourself, I am powerful, I am strong, I am confident, I am wealthy, I am money, whatever that you want to say to yourself. Okay, that's how you start your day, with positive thoughts about yourself. Okay, again, this is the best time to do it. It's literally when you wake up. But again, do whatever works for you. You can sit with yourself with your cup of coffee, or when you're driving to work in your car, say it. Say those affirmations to yourself. It will help you boost your confidence. Okay, also, take a moment in the day to remember what is that you're good at. What is that you're good at? Okay, you can also make a list of all your qualities and success and read it to yourself in the morning. Or again, record yourself, do whatever works for you. Another great way is to have a sticky notes around your office about good things about yourself. Okay, qualities about yourself. Say things nice about yourself, and you start reading them, automatically you're gonna start feeling good about yourself, especially if you repeat it to yourself, either out loud or quiet. Okay, so I highly recommend doing it because, again, they're so powerful. They're so powerful words. And the more you're going to use it, the more you're going to start seeing the shift in your daily life, in your business. Okay? You know, I always talk about daily journal. So write down good things that you think or you do each day. Okay, again, it will help you. It will help you flip the script from a challenging day to a great day. It's about those words that you keep telling to yourself. What is that you are saying to yourself? What words are you using? Are you use positive words or negative words? If your day didn't go as planned as you wanted, again, we talked about growth mindset and fixed mindset. You can say, oh, this day it's not going as planned and I'm done for today. Or you can say, okay, what is that I'm learning about myself or learning from this situation or learning from this mistake? This is how you develop a growth mindset. Okay, I am will help you get to that point when you develop your growth mindset, when you start again shifting your mind from the negative to the positive. Always remember you are awesome because you are. Reminding yourself of your worth. Okay, you are worthy. I am worthy. It's another great affirmation to add to your affirmation list. I am worthy. Okay, and acknowledge your achievements. Okay, no matter how big or small, but when you recognize your success, celebrate them. Celebrate them, even they're small. It doesn't matter. But this is how, again, you recognize your worth and who you are and how powerful you are, because you are powerful. You are God. God created you in his image. Don't forget that. Look up Genesis 1, verse 27. God worked through you, you inside of you. So whatever that you're saying to yourself, that's how you replace those negative thoughts with positive self-talk. When you recognize who you are, when you know your worth and your power, and you're doing it by, again, recognizing your achievements, your success, your qualities. Okay, also hang out with people that will lift you and recognize your worth. That's why you want to surround yourself with positive people that lift you and help you reach your goals. Not talking about other people. Okay, and that's how you also adapt that successful mindset when you start talking about goals and achievements and all your ideas, because again, ideas makes money. Okay, that's how you again change your day and help your day become better when something doesn't go your way. So when you do all that, you recognize your achievements and your success and you celebrate them. You hang out with positive people that lift you and recognize your worth. This is how those little things help you turn your day around. Okay, also do what makes you happy, like positive activities. Make a list of everything that you like to do, things that makes you happy, things that cheer you up. Oh, I talk about it in my previous videos. All that together reminds you of who you are and how powerful you are. Okay, and that will help you turn your day around just with few activities, just simple words to yourself. Again, everything starts within you, with your thoughts and with your words. So how are we getting through tough days? First of all, everyone has tough days, okay? The most successful people on this planet has tough days. Some people call it bad days. Some people call it tough days. I like to call it challenging days, okay? Again, we just talk about it, how you replace a negative words and you replace it with a positive one. Okay, so when you're facing a challenging day, sit with yourself, take a moment and think about, okay, what didn't go plan as I wanted today so I can make it better for tomorrow. And I always do it at night. I walk into my office with myself. It's a quiet, there is no distraction. Okay, it's usually late at night, and I said to myself, okay, it didn't go plan as I wanted, so what can I make it better for tomorrow? Okay, this is how you're going through tough day. Because again, it's what are you saying to yourself, is your thoughts, is your words, and is that growth mindset that you start to cultivate with time. Okay, so also think about what is that you are grateful for. Gratitude with affirmation every day will shift your mind, will shift your perspective about everything. Not only that, you're going to start to attract more positivity into your life when you start your gratitude and affirmation together. Okay, so think about what is that you are thankful for. That will help you turn the day around within seconds. Okay, instead of, again, being mad or sad about, oh, it didn't go as planned as I want. It's okay. It's okay. We have those days sometimes, but you know what? Maybe it happened for a reason. Maybe it want come to teach you something. Okay, to make you stronger. So next time you're facing that challenge, you know how to handle that. You know how to handle that like a pro. Okay, that's how you, it's again, it's not going to happen overnight. It takes time, practice, consistency, and patience. So I'm asking you, okay, be patient with yourself. But the more you do it, the more you're going to do it, you're going to see the results. Okay, not only that, treat yourself with something small, something nice when you're facing that challenge day. You have a challenge day. Okay, treat yourself with something nice. Have a glass of wine. Order some food, like a nice food, well, not nice food, nice something tasty. Okay, you know, sometimes my English mix up with my Hebrew and I'm losing the words, but you know what I'm trying to say. So treat yourself with something nice. Okay, something that will lift you up, make you smile on your face, and then you can relax again, and then you can start thinking again and reflect your day. Okay, again, there is no bad days, there is challenging days. So remember, take it day by day. Practice is the key to your success. Patience as well, and consistency. Okay, reminding yourself how great you are and how awesome you are on tough days, challenging days. Okay, and keep telling yourself how great you are, because you are. So create your affirmation list. I am powerful. I am amazing. I am wealthy. I am money. I am powerful. I am confident. Whatever that you want to say to yourself, start with I am, and after make sure it's positive. Again, this is God words. Okay, and when you say to yourself those positive words again with your positive thoughts, this is how you create your reality. This is how you manifest your reality. Okay, also, if you have any other way to remind yourself how great you are, let me know in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, share, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.